Hello developers, in this video we are going to learn about MVVM architecture. MVVM stands for Model View View Model. In this picture you can see the architecture working. So what is view? View contains all the UI components. We can say the example of table view, collection view or a label. All the components are going to be in the view. View model basically contains all the business logic. It has a responsibility to do some calculations or get the data from network or from a database. Model is basically it contains the data which has to be shown in the view. And repository have the duty to get the data from either from database or from network. Now we are going to see the coupling between these classes. So the view have the reference of view model. It's a strong coupling between view and view model, and the view model will contains the repository. So the repository will notify the view model when it gets the data from database or from network, and the view model also notify changes in the model or give the model to our view, so that the view can update the view according to the model. In UI kit, what we are going to do, from view model to view, we are sending the notification via protocol or from the completion blocks. But in SwiftUI we have combined frameworks, so observable things are there. First of all, it's state. The another one is combine, and the third one is observable objects. So I'm just creating a new group with called as modules. It contains all the module in our app. I'm creating login module. So it contains three things: view model, and the last one is repository. Okay. So in view the login view will come. So all the UI components will come to the login view. So I'm creating login view. So it hold a view model, contains the reference of view model. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating a login view model, right? Now we will create the login view model class, login view model. Okay. Now we have a class login view model. Okay. So now this will get the reference of login view model, and we have a model login model. So we are creating a login model, and I am just using a string that has to be represented in view. So I am just writing test string, and the string should be hi, we are learning SwiftUI. Okay. Now what happens, the login view model now contains the details to be shown in login view, right? So we have a login details. Okay, it's login model. So we have created a test string that should be shown in login view. So now our login view contains a login model. Now our login view contains a login view model, and we have to show the text view model dot login details dot test strings. Okay, so I'm just replacing with login view as I deleted the content view. So again go to login view, and now try login, resume. So as you see, hi, we are learning SwiftUI from login view model itself, right? So view model can access all the properties or all the functions from here, but the login view model have no such thing. It will not contain the reference of login view. It's loose coupling. Now suppose I want to do some changes, or some changes have to be done, right? So this is default thing, but after some time I have to do some sort of changes in login details string. So let's take the example. I am just creating a function change string. Okay, and I'm just doing dispatch queue dot main dot I just want some time, right? So I'm just writing now plus 5 seconds after that. Please update the string, right? So I'm writing login details dot test string equals to hi. Now I am learning MVVM. So it just needs a self. So we are uploading the self. Now try again. See, we first of all we are saying hi. We are learning SwiftUI, that is base. But after 5 seconds, we are it is not updating to hi. We are learning MVVM. So what the stuff we have to do? First of all, we have to inherit it with observable object and create this thing as a publish. This login details is used by our login view, right? And now one more thing, I know that the view model should be observed all the time, so I was writing observe object. Okay, so we have to write on appear. So I'm just calling view model dot change screen. Now I want to resume. See, we are saying hi, we are learning SwiftUI. See, after 5 seconds, it is converted to hi. Now I am learning MVVM. So in this way, we have the login view model has loose coupling to login because it is only notifying via the observable objects. So this is the working of MVVM architecture. So the complete thing we will develop in our next video, in which we are going to learn how to create the login view, and also we are implementing the MVVM architecture in the login view. So please stay tuned.